A mature industry often has a well-established quality management system. Sometimes, these rules act more like barriers for companies. Germany-based Compro has come to China with the goal of providing Chinese automakers and suppliers with services to align with the quality management standards of European and American markets. Bridge News met the company's representative, Stephen. So in his view, what challenges does the Chinese automotive industry face in terms of quality management as it seeks to expand its exports?
We know what is needed in the European market regarding quality management, quality systems, what kind, let's say, of approvals has to be done and requirements have to be fulfilled if you would like to enter the German or European market. I think the whole quality process from the final product over the process running, the process implementation, the equipment of the machining, and the step before of the metrology equipment. For all these steps, the European market have their own specifications and rules. And this may be one of the hurdles which are needed to jump over, I would say, to fulfill these requirements. That's why then the company Compro, means compliant processes, fulfill exactly these steps.
The development of electric and smart vehicles is broadly transforming the automotive manufacturing process. Will the current automotive quality management system undergo changes in response to this trend?
Well, the IATF 6949 is like, I would say, you said, like a rule book. It's really describing the, in general terms, quality management requirements in the automotive industry. Maybe there is some requirements for adaptation for EV, but also especially autonomous driving. Autonomous driving is very, let's say, you must trust the system, you must trust that everything is working fine, it must be reliable. The autonomous driving uses a lot of sensors sitting, let's say, in the car, getting information from everywhere. And these sensors must be clearly qualified. This is one point that's important. But also the data communication. I think this is a very strong and important part. And to capture this data more or less in real time, it has to happen in real time. So all these data which are received and needed for autonomous driving must be very reliable so everybody can trust it, because the risk is too high if something is going wrong with that.
Chongqing is a city with a mature automotive industry chain. Having visited the city 15 years ago, how does Stephen view Chongqing's development?
First time I was here, it's 15 years ago, close to 20 years ago in Chongqing, visiting an automotive company in the engine plant, making engines. And now everything is now moving to EV. I see on the road mostly only Chinese cars with the new technologies, very strongly AI and software driven. So the classical, let's say, petrol engines and so on, that what I see here is not a topic anymore. So I think the Chinese market is also going to define and set standards also for the global market. Chinese market is fast, very innovative, using a lot of AI. I think Germany is well known for stability and quality. This collaboration between China being very innovative, very quick, combines that with German quality. I think this is one of the key partnership and cooperation I see is a good bundle for the next steps and for the future.